The annual game of shooty ball. So you be shooty and the ball wouldn't be going where you want it to go. It's really windy today.
Yeah, it's nice when the wind's not blowing.
Super nice when the wind's not blowing. But it'd be blowing. We'll see. The wind chills out, but this is doable. Yeah, they... Good luck. Short range battles today. Go left. Oh my goodness. That's hard to dial in, let me tell you. Okay, I got one. Oh, we're ready. And we're gonna let them all go. They all went left. They all went left. Oh, hey. Who wants to play in the wind?
Yeah, there's duck. See the duck.
Good grief. Yeah, right. Nothing with range today.
Headshot.
Ow! How the fuck did I get shot? No way. That felt friendly. That felt friendly as fuck. I mean, it didn't feel good. It just felt like no chance in hell I'm getting dog shotted like that in this wind. Unless it's in close. I'm calling bullshit. Oh, who's shooting me? And how are they getting such straight shots? That's what I want to know. Shooting that field paint. Who the fuck is it? Alright, it's doable.
I think we got one at the green arch.
Okay.
Kind of hard to see. I think we did that.
Yeah, I got one. Damn, these are fucking. Got him. Nice.
Headshot.
Reloading.
Headshot.
Got him.
Double kill. Headshot.
He's down. Me too. I got one pod, but I gotta save it for next round.
I was saying just in case they came bum rushing.
Were they?
No, I didn't know. I was letting you know.
You said that, we ran out.
I was like, I'm out of ammo. Protect me, dude.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah.
I guess we're gonna just start throwing kicks. Like, ah!
Yeah. No count.
Chunk of dirt. Grenade! I got you!
Was that one a friendly?
I think it was a friendly.
There's like a really cool guy. Like, almost probably. He was
Yeah.
in the house with me. All of a sudden he's like, no, Dad, they're on our team. You gotta shoot way out there. So, I think that's probably who did it.
Yeah. They even said something along the lines that felt friendly as fuck.
Yeah, it probably was. It's
Sounds
probably
good.
the really old man.
I guess I got gogged by a 90-year-old man.
Okay. In his defense, you were like in this bunker. He was in the house.
It probably made his day. I know.
It probably
I got
did.
fucking popped, and I was like, dude, there's no way I get gog shotted in this wind. There's no way. That felt super friendly.
Are we switching sides? Oh, and oh.
Some people are leaving.
I don't know. They just had a mask violation, so.
I got this pod.
Yep, I just got my last pod in there
I'm gonna be
too.
counting my shots.
I saw the same imposter
My jaw hurts.
part of their home like
Your jaw hurts? Yeah, mine does too.
Yeah.
I got new teeth this week. New tooth. It's a 3 tooth.
Can you help? Got it. I got a few kills though.
I did too.
I mean, I had to shoot like 50 balls to get one, but I got
I
one.
popped this one kid in the head and he had to sit behind the bunker for a while.
Oh.
Once you put his gun up, and you're just like, he didn't get up. You're like, I know what you're going through, bro. I got him right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I got a double kill. I was going off that round. Except for getting shot by a friendly. Come on. You got him pushing. You're more than welcome to push up if you want. They got me. Okay. Copy. Almost out of ammo.
Okay, we got multiple on us.
Okay.
We have snake on us. Careful. Stay tight. Stay tight.
What's up, bro?
Hey, what's going on, man? Whew. Okay, hold on, give it the
Right side, right side, right
Can I
side.
get the gun? Please give me the gun.
I have like 4 bullets.
Oh, fuck, you do?
Yeah.
Shit. Okay, never mind.
See what you can do. You better shoot in 1 or 2.
Oh, tell him I said hello as well. So we have one straight ahead of us and then one to the right. Which one'd you get?
Fence line's down.
Fence line's down.
Just look straight up.
Here you go. Put him in. Pick it back up. Grab it. Just that stand up. You mind throwing a few at him real quick?
For me? I've
Not
got
you.
3 balls.
Oh no, he's peeking at the table.
I don't see him.
Hey, is there anyone inside that building?
I think one of us.
Oh no. Okay.
Why are you out here?
Huh?
Why are you out here?
Oh, I gotta let go.
He got fired.
Huh? Yeah. Hey, peeking, careful.
With my last ball. This is like the worst time to come in for a celebrity shot.
I know. I got in and then I peek out and I see the guy about to shoot at me. I was like, oh.